From 7 April to 4th of May 2020, we are all asked to work from home. During this period that we stay and work from home, how can we better use our time? Should we learn a new skill? Should we pick up social media or digital marketing such as SEO and email marketing at the comfort of our home? This is now made possible with Sky Digital Agency's live webinar schedules that is scheduled at least once a month. These courses are now at a 20% discount for all registrations received 5 days prior to the actual course run up to 31st May 2020. Sign up with a friend to get an additional 10% discount. All live webinars are kept small, up to a maximum of 8 persons, so that you get the most out of our trainers and our training sessions. Join us for our one-day social media or digital marketing courses to learn and implement these strategies to your business immediately. Click on Learn More to find out more about our course outline and live webinar schedules.